am going to discuss Oracle procedure. A procedure is a group of PL/SQL statement that can be called by a name. The call specification the call specification sometimes called call specific a Java method or a third generation language routine. Now we are going to see this is the syntax: create or replace procedure and procedure name. Here we have to decide in parameter or out parameters. Here parameters. See here. Now parameter types: declaration section, execution section. Now is a declaration section, begin is execution, and exceptional and procedure end. Now we are going to in parameter. It passed the value to the programmer. It return a value to the caller. In and out parameters. These all are we discussing directly in program. Okay. This is we are going to create one table. Okay. User table I don't have. Just I am going to copy this create table user. Just I am going to paste here. Okay. Just paste. Click enter. Okay. Invalid table name. Create a table name number 1000. Okay, just I'm going to use already I think I have table is there. Invalid. Just I'm going to select star from user. Click enter. Okay, invalid. Why create a table name, ID, number or primary key. Okay, I'm going to remove primary key. Okay, now click enter. Invalid table name, create user number. Okay, okay, I'm going to write create a table. Already one statement is there. Create table user ID number. Okay, now name, any name or CHER to braces going to give an 100. Now invalid identifier. I think the user table is there. Just going to refresh. There is no user table. Okay, why it is showing? I'm not understanding. Okay, just I'm going to take one more workspace. Okay, click enter. Invalid table name. Okay, give table 1. Yeah, table is created. User 1. Otherwise, star from USER user. Okay, name and ID. ID is primary key. Now I created a table create or replace a procedure. Insert user 1 and end. This is beginning is there is no declaration. Input in is a parameter. We are passing 2 parameters. Just going to pass here. Just I am going to enter. Okay, create a user, insert a user. Okay, insert a user. Why is showing the error? Okay, insert a user. User 1. Okay, now user 1 ID and name. Click enter. Insert procedure is compiled. Okay, the procedure is created. What I am going to do? Procedure is created. See here screenshot. Same way procedure is compiled. Okay, it's showing compiled. Okay, now I am going to call this procedure. Insert a user and it going to insert a data or not. I am going to check. Okay, here enter, insert a user ID. Just click here. Okay, PLSQL procedure is successfully compiled. See here the data is inserted. Now we created one procedure name and we are giving input parameters. Same input parameters we are passing. Just we are calling beginning insert. Just we are passing. This is a procedure. In this procedure 2 parameters. Here 2 parameters we are passing. See here insert in parameters we are passing. Okay, DMA. Once again I am going to enter. Okay, it's showing unique constant. Okay, now I am going to give 2. Now click here. See here PLSQL procedure is successfully compiled. Select star from user. Click here. See here 2 records. This way we learn what is the procedure, how we are going to create. Next video.